The Rafale fighter jet is a multipurpose fighter aircraft made by the French company Dassault Aviation. This aircraft is designed to be able to carry out various military tasks such as attack, reconnaissance, electronic reconnaissance, and air defense actions. The Rafale can also conduct operations from carriers and airstrips. The Rafale is 15.3 meters long, has a wingspan of 10.9 meters, and is 5.3 meters high. This aircraft is equipped with a SNECMA M88-2 engine capable of generating power up to 50 kN. The maximum speed of the Rafale reaches Mach 1.8 or around 2,200 km/h and has a combat range of around 1,800 km. The Rafale is equipped with a variety of advanced weapon systems, including air-to-air missiles, air-to-ground missiles, and smart bombs, which allow the aircraft to strike targets very accurately from long distances. In addition, this aircraft is also equipped with an advanced self-defense system that can detect threats and avoid them. The Rafale has been in service with the French Air Force since 2001 and has also been exported to several other countries, including Egypt, India, and Qatar. Its reliability and ability in various military tasks make the Rafale one of the most advanced fighter jets in the world today.